Varo Bank is a fully digital bank that provides a range of banking services through its mobile app, eliminating the need for physical branches. Here's how Varo Bank works. Opening an account. Application. Download the Varo app from the App Store or Google Play Store and complete the application by providing your personal details and verifying your identity. Approval. Once your application is approved, you can start using your Varo account immediately. Banking services. Deposits. Fund your account through direct deposits, bank transfers, mobile check deposits, or cash deposits at Green Dot locations. Checking and savings accounts. Varo offers checking accounts with no monthly fees, no minimum balance requirements, and access to fee-free ATMs within the Allpoint network. It also provides high-yield savings accounts with competitive interest rates. Money management. Varo Advance. Access small cash advances up to $100, repayable on your next direct deposit or within 30 days. Budgeting and insights. Use the app's budgeting tools and spending insights to manage your finances effectively. Payments and transfers. Bill pay. Pay bills directly from your Varo account. Money transfers. Transfer money to other bank accounts or send money instantly to other Varo users. Security. FDIC insurance. Deposits are FDIC insured up to $250,000. Security features. The app includes security features such as card lock or unlock, transaction alerts, and biometric login.